camera swap. As you can see, he's filming my iPod Touch, and I'm filming with this camera. This is the public elevator. We cannot get off here.
This is at Westifled UTC.
The bell's loud.
It's in really good condition.
I know, it's not even modernized. It's an ADA condition.
Yeah.
And it's for him, he's doing a retake, so I already have a
This is a retake for you too.
I know.
But this is, God only knows how many retakes.
Let's get off at I.
Okay, good.
Is it
I used to know what it means. I think it's interfere action. It's going.
Oh, that's coincidence.
Look in the mirror.
Alright.
You see.
I see.
What's up?
Holy shit, we're stopping.
It's I. It's really fast.
No, let's get off at LL. No, we can't get off here because we're in. I thought I was lower level.
Yeah, that's just ADA compliant.
Yes,
Switch with me. Okay.
Holy shit, this elevator's messed up.
No, I got some. Someone probably called. Let's just want to get out.
Come on in.
Oh, are you going down?
Yeah.
What floor are you going to?
We are going to the
Lower level?
lower level.
Yeah, that's the bottom.
Yeah.
It went up when we got on too.
Oh, I was like, is there any other floors? Oh, what's the I? The intermediate? Actually,
That's what it was.
Do we need to go to I?
I don't know. It doesn't matter because it's a hard way getting
Maybe
the rest
to
of
get
them all. Yeah,
We have to go up one.
Okay.
We have to.
Well, we're getting off here.
The stairs.
have a good one.
Okay. And let's doors closed.
And that's it.